Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today we'll be taking a look at the latest addition to the DJI Mini series. Of course, we're talking about the DJI Mini 3. The one we will specifically be unboxing today is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Plus with the DJI RC. Try saying that 5 times fast and I'll be impressed. But let's dive right in and see what we get with this latest combo pack. Alrighty, let's see exactly what we get. Of course, this is the standard Fly More kit bag, which we are familiar with from the Mini 3 Pro and of course the Mini 2. Very, very similar design. In fact, it's almost identical. And then we have the bad boy itself. Of course, one of the amazing new things about the Mini 3, as opposed to the Mini 2, is we can do both vertical and landscape shooting, which is fantastic. Really, really impressive little gimbal trait there. Of course, this package that we're unpacking today comes with the DJI RC, but it is also available with the RC N1 controller, which was first introduced with the Mini 2 series and has also been repeated with the Air 2S and the standard Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic drones. This, of course, comes with the 700-nit inbuilt screen controller, which is fantastic. We've got our multi-battery charging hub and, of course, 2 batteries here, plus there is also 1 battery in the aircraft as well, meaning you've got 3 in total. The DJI Mini 3 will give you up to 38 minutes max flight time, and even more impressive, if you use the Plus batteries like we have in this box here, you're actually going to get a whopping 51 minutes max flight time. That's actually the most of any DJI consumer drone. That's just an eternity to capture all those photos and videos that you might not have been able to get the time with in previous models. The remote controller will give you up to 10 kilometers max distance using the DJI OcuSync 2 system. This is very, very similar to the DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 3 features a new design, which is a vastly improved camera and better flight time when compared to the Mini 2. Another big advantage is it also allows for vertical shooting. As you can see with the gimbal here, we have the ability to do both landscape, and with the tap of a button, it'll also flip into portrait. Fantastic for social media use. The biggest thing that you'll notice when you look at the DJI Mini 3 is that these 2 holes here are not obstacle avoidance sensors. Instead, we've got these kind of like ventilation vents. That's probably the biggest difference physically, otherwise it looks almost identical to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 also does not have the ability to do active track or follow me. It also does not shoot 4K at 60 frames a second, but other than those differences, it's remarkably similarly spec'd to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 also has the ability to shoot 12 megapixel still photos in high dynamic range, which is really, really cool. If you're a video guy, then the Mini 3 Pro can shoot 1080p at up to 60 frames a second. That's going to give you some pretty cool slow motion abilities. If active track and 4K 60 frames, as well as H.265 codec compression are really important to you, then you may need to look at its bigger brother, being of course the Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro have almost identical accessories in every single way, with the exception being the propellers. So just be sure if you're getting propellers or propeller guards, you get the right one for the right model. Well, that's about all we have time for today, guys, but thank you for tuning in for this first look and unboxing of the DJI Mini 3. We have these currently in stock and ready to rock, so we'll see you online and in store, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.